because I'm also an architect. I know things have to go through doors, have to come through doors to in places, you know. So you very early on, I learned that I have to make things in parts, and they have to connect. Okay, so even what you see behind me, it's in parts, you know, and so things get dismounted and mounted again. You know, the connections and maps and all that to install them. Okay, there is something about my work that is very important, is that this need for change and transformation that I have, it's in the work. So I, you know, when I make the works, they have a genetic code, but they do not have to be precisely, exactly reinstalled exactly the same way, because nothing is the same the next day or the next time you see it. You know, either you change or that thing slightly moved a little bit, and that will not make any difference in the scope of pieces like the pieces I do. Okay, so having that um, flexibility makes also the installations possible to be reinstalled, you know. And uh, the use, for example, the use of industrial materials allow me sometimes to bring parts of the piece for a show that more precise or worked on, but I can buy the same wire, I don't know, in France that I buy here. So why would I bring the wire with me? Okay, but that is also all very thought of, plan, you know, projected. You know, um, it's not anything. Everything is really, it has a certain precision in a way of detailing a project. Okay, um, so yeah, sometimes I have, for example, made work in the studio and it was there for a while, and I look at it and I say, you know, I don't like this anymore. So I actually cannibalize. You know, I use that material to make something else. I just feel that, you know, I have the right to do anything I want in my studio. I can change anything I want at any time. Unless that piece was sold, if it's still mine, I can change it. I can destroy it. I can do whatever I want. And I do it. You know, if I feel like, I do it. What I want to emphasize here is that it's not that I think about it. It's not that I plan 5 pieces or 10 pieces. It is the work that is talking to me, that it's telling me, okay, I keep working, and then suddenly I have the feeling it's enough. I'm not doing anything anymore here. I'm not doing one more piece with those materials. Okay. So it's you know, I wait for that to happen. It's I do not plan, you know, I do not illustrate an idea I'm having. I'm It's very, you know, it's all in, and I get this response this way.